Right, what have we got in this morning? We have got a battery drain on a Japanese vehicle where it has been into several garages. One garage has actually fitted a switch for them, which is for the stereo system, because they believe that the drain was for the stereo system, but it lasted about a week, and then the battery was flat again. So let's have a look to see what we can find quickly. So just to confirm, we've got this set up, and at the moment we've got 0.333 of drain on this battery. So we really want to see that at 0.050 or less. Customer has been through all the fuses. We have just checked all the fuses to see if there is anything on there, just to confirm as well. Look at that. That's how you do it now. So that. Right, so they've wired in, well, the garage has wired in these switches, and that is for fuse down there, which I've just removed, which is fuse 6, which is to do with the stereo system. So they believe that that was the stereo system, but none of this have worked. As you can see, none of it has worked. What we can do quickly is just pull the power to the alternator starter motor supply line, which is obviously fused through this part here. I'll show you, which is normally fused through this part here. So let's see what we got quickly. So let's take this off and just see. Let me look at that. Guess what? Just wiggling that. Ready? There we go. So we will be chasing this. I'm assuming it comes from here and then potentially here. So not always what you think it is, but a quick diagnosis. Been into other garages, couldn't work it out. That wasn't that difficult, was it?